Medical students usually suffer from something called imposter syndrome. This is a syndrome which is characterized by the chief complaint of not fitting into the medical college, with the chief complaint of not feeling deserving of the seat that you have got in your MBBS. The history of presenting illness can be fits of anxiety, depression, sadness, guilty, and therefore what a student does is that he constantly questions himself, or herself whether the seat that he has got in the medical student is truly deserving. There are so many teachers, so many professors, so many doctors who are so much more overqualified, and just looking at their bhandar of knowledge that they have, medical students tend to feel a little bit inferior. That we are at the bottom of the food chain and we have to take years and years to reach to the expert level of knowledge that the residents, that the consultants have. And this is where we feel a little bit underconfident. We may not be at the same confident level of that of a consultant or a surgeon who has done so many surgeries, has seen so many thousands of patients, and have developed a clinical acumen. So therefore, we feel a certain amount of underconfidence, a certain amount of guilt that do I belong to this profession? Now trust me, each and every single person that I have spoken to you suffers with this particular syndrome. The past history is almost the same. The diagnosis can be made by a simple conversation with the fellow student, and the treatment is quite simple. But before giving you the treatment for this particular syndrome, I would like to know your thoughts. What are your thoughts on this chief complaint? What do you think this imposter syndrome develops in students? Why do you think medical students are so concerned about their placement in the medical profession? I would like to know your thoughts, your personal stories, your personal anecdotes, and your personal view on this particular topic of medical students suffering from imposter syndrome. Let me know in the comment section below. Reply to other people's comments and let us together overcome this imposter syndrome, because at some point we need to step our foot down and say, yes, we belong over here.